Okay, ebusia enenso no yabesan so ahwe one best way obetimi ede ameki money online ewo Ghana akọ wo mobile money emu. Se we use Tigo Cash anase Vodafone Cash krana store na obetimi akashi usika ede akom successfully. Se bank nso na pesa transfer kwa obetimi a transfer ede akom successfully. We so eye Ghanaian based website ene yede eba be yedwuma. Website we say wonum eboa ama obi a oye school ni wa oye caretaker wa oye nursing mother wa oye broke any wa opese wunye sika wo online bia no wetimi enya avenue bia ebetimi generate some extra cash ede ama impose opese wode eye permanent work mpona wobetimi eyisi sa system we say ewo Ghana ye yetuaka in mobile money no aye edwuma etimi ede emeki money online. First of all, say when you and subscribe to our channel we up, mesre say obe subscribe na what turn it on notification bell no na I get to notified anytime biana me the video ebe to ha chira wo sane obe make money online ewo akan kasa krojin mu. Afei video we ayana wa like na wa share so ede ama wunia. Me the website link no ato video description na say eye me affiliate link na say eye me referral link say omia so ebeboa me bebre na me so ekwanya mismenya me de echirechire wo no mismenya emfaso ewo so site say obetua woka ewo mra u reading news on say utumi eko global news arena eko reading news obi ama osike bia utumi eko Ghana web eko reading news obi ama osike bia sa website we say wonum a provide system edi amawa ube reading news obetumi enya sika edi eframe enti say o read one story bia obetumi enya 10 pesos edi eframe obetumi ebie article no keke na won read obetumi scroll so woni nje so be read obetumi scroll up and down keke na we close na odi enya 10 pesos obetumi enya sa 10 pesos we nyina bebre na odi enya sika we ne ye nketo akra twen na meba obesan so etumi enya sika omra o comment enti yamfa ne say wahwe articles anase we read articles be 10 na se ne nyina wa comment ya ubenya 20 pesos okay per every article bia na se wunya 20 pesos which is 0.20 na se u read 10 articles into you multiply by 10 okay into ebema 2 Ghana cedis per article bia afei de bia se u log in ubetimi enya 10 pesos ede aka osika na ho na se u register for France so one memo bonus 5 cedis ede aka osika na ho afei ena yebebo erem into details na machiro sane ubetimi emeki sika no akese site we say se o refer obi se o kan wonum ho asam ekire obi say aha no ye make residual income school for enye sika de tua won bills awa ha say obi a waye broke ebe pesika awa ha say de na 1212 na se wo kan kire wadamfo no sonso eje penny sign up with your referral link wo benya 20 Ghana cedis nipa ba ko bia na obe sign up successfully was our website we say no with your username and as a referral link ubenya 20 Ghana cedis enti yen imagine kakra ewa ha say in a week and as in a day no obe refer nipa 5 or the say nipa 5 in obet me refer in a day enti nipa 5 no multiply by 20 right say 20 cedis okay enti no ubenya 100 cedis every day was a nipa 5 na wo invite wo no no enti sign up sisia ne frase say wo ka ho asem ede akire wunia na enye fraudulent site enye site obeka say wo ye but yentua oka na say registration and go through and no eye 100% legit eye very legit wono betua oka ede akọ mobile money wallet mu enche yebehwe registration process no enti hwe video we say ekodu ewieye na subscribe to channel no na turn on notification bell no like video no comment na share se wo hwe wa TikTok senso se video no eyetia ewo hono mu na wa konso aba YouTube abehwe video no into details oba obetimi aberedi much about the site link no ewo video description no ase into betimi emia link ne so na opeso ready any other thing na aberedi about it se opese wo some of the avenue avenues obetumi edi generate sika from this kind of strategies message say obehwe me videos ni mu ma kire sene obetumi make 36 Ghana cedis on WhatsApp. Okay, inso betumi use sa strategy na ode aye we nso na aha say no e ma wo sika sem no akosoro san say referral bia no obenya 20 Ghana cedis na efremu. Enti say what bibia so dia na obe register inti obemia register ne so na a redirect e de waba aha say ode phone name be sha say wo email na o phone number ode a ha na fe ode gender so ye male ana female a ha say na ode country a wo mu no e de a ha sesia no countries miensa e na sa website yi e ye adwuma e wo Ghana, Nigeria and Zambia because of mobile money payment na wonum e ye nti security details no aha ye login details enti wo de username a wo fele so pese wo yisi no eno e na wo de be ha say enti no say wo Nation Republic de da wa sign up to Nation na fa username na e wo Nation na fa ha say na e use sa username we okay na wo the password that wo fele say wo pese wo yisi so asha inti say wo be login into the account wo be hia wo username no and password inti pacho sa information we say choro to baby e ho be hia pa okay o wi payment details no na network ko pese yetua wo ka koso no okay na wa select okay inti in my case no me fa MTN Momo na obi say edin pen ena wo bank account ne so ana se wo mobile money ne din pen ena so be send o sika aya eba na wa tworo sa edin kono e de ahye ha sei afi wo say wo mobile money ana se wo account number nti wo bebo sa account number no enso ahye so you see bank okay on se bank wo so ha sei bank no ha sei nti se you see bank a wo bank number ena de ahye ho you see mobile money na wo do mobile money number ahye ho o wi na wa click on register ebe redirect abaha say aha ena obe make investment ne nyesike bia obetua 30 Ghana cedis ena obetua 30 Ghana cedis ena ode be register na say obi sign up with your affiliate link with your referral link with your username na wenya $20 per every person nipa kuru bia no obenya 20 Ghana cedis because dollars sorry my can dollar na sa interesa na kamitri fache me inti afei na edri ho say e wo say yetua ka no okay 30 Ghana cedis obetimi use sa onum code we say ana so onum system we say sa system we say si ya me no ka say sa system we say no enye adwuma inti ye be use the next option no ye sure say enche be activate but si ya me no ka say de opa aya no try ahwe na we follow sa process no aye but si ya de ye be use get a voucher now no inti voucher card and as a voucher code ena yebe hia na yede activate yen account no enti the obey next ne say obe click on get a voucher now no say wo click so a ebe redirect e de akọ won WhatsApp number so na won ni pa ko akasa enti be redirect e de waba ha say enti say wodru ha say ya na wa send no message please I want to purchase voucher to complete my city's room registration thanks me wie enti also no so be reply okay please no wakacho say can you provide us with your city's room momo network please okay intimate network no MTN and I'm just sending no na one more send ye ubetumi etua ka no e de afa steps no e na wode amaye no inti ye be follow steps no kakra na ye de ameki yen 30 cedis payment no na yetumi enya ho kwan aye fully registered e wo so na yen so yetumi e de ameki money e wo mra ye reading news amra ye commenting news wo mra ye refer crofo eba platform ni so no the more na no e na ye be make huge sum of money online nti ebusiafo me referral link no eda video description na se me pa cho use me referral link no nefa ko website we so na eko register for an account na also start say we dey make money online so when you use me referral link ne kra na me username no road to wealth subscribe to my channel yi aha no dey bia hwe say make money online Yahweh affiliate marketing, print on demand, drop shipping, drop servicing, e-commerce, and all the things concerning money making online. Makacha myself so making money online ya. Won't me any affiliate marketing and free. Idea ye affiliate marketing and referring someone and one affiliating no. Okay, inti ebusia. Momodin so be use this strategy way now they are making money. Next time I'm back with another video. Abachiro baby a ode referral link no beto a ebe ma nkrofo akleke so register ama won so wenya much money online. Inti at least say wenya 5 people de bia 5 people no by 30 ASN daily 5 people by 30, which is a month. In a month, you know, we have 150 referrals. And if you back 150, now almost register successfully about website and so on. Obe multiply 150 by 20 cities, okay, by 20, which is 3,000 Ghana cedis in a month. But how much then? So when Drew Hampa, but Ben home, and Tino, but more than no wait me the sub platform we say I make money online. Video we see her say, videos na edi enimu back on my crowd.